Very good morning to everyone. I am Anand Krishna Sharma, lecturer electronics at Government Polytechnic College Bikaner. Today in this video lecture, we will cover the electrodes, electrode circuit module, types of electrode. It will cover the microelectrode, body surface electrode, and needle electrode and their types. Electrode are the device which are used to convert ionic voltages into electronic voltages. We all know that the voltages produced inside the cell are the ionic voltages because it is produced by the movement of the ions. These are the sodium or potassium ions, where the equipment we use for the measurement and signal conducting are the electronic component. So the electrodes are used to convert ionic voltages into electronic voltages. An electrode is placed on a surface with the help of a jelly type paste. This jelly type paste is known as the electrode paste. It is an electrically conducting material employed as an interface between the electrode and the surface of the body. It reduces the surface resistance. It is the electrode circuit module. The equivalent circuit module we can say have the HC, RD, CD and RS. HC EHC is a half cell potential. RD and CD make up the impedance associated with the electrode, electrolyte interface, and polarization effect. The RS is the series resistance associated with the interface effect, and it is due to the resistance in the electrolyte. As we have discussed, the two electrode can be used as a transducer. Here, electrode A and electrode B are used to measure the cellular potential, and the output of the electrode is fed to the differential amplifier. A wide variety of the electrode can be used to measure bioelectrical event, but nearly all can be classified as belonging to one of the three basic types. These are the microelectrode, skin surface electrode, and needle electrode. Microelectrode. The electrode which are used to measure bioelectric potential near or within a single cell are called as a microelectrode. There are the two types of the microelectrode, metal electrode and micropipette. The electrode are formed by etching the tip of a fine tungsten or stainless steel wire to the desired size. The tip of the wire is almost coated with the insulating material. Micropipette. The micropipette type of microelectrode is a glass micropipette with the tip drawn out to the desired size. Normally it is about 1 micron. The micropipette is filled with the electrolyte compatible with the cellular fluid. Skin surface electrode. The electrode which are used to measure ECG, EEG and EMG potential from the surface of the skin are called as the skin surface electrode. Following are the types of the skin surface electrode: metal plate electrode, suction cup electrode, adhesive tape electrode, floating electrodes, disposable electrode, and ear clip electrode. Metal plate electrodes. The most common type of the electrode routinely used for recording ECG are rectangular or circular surface electrode. The material used is a German silver, nickel silver, or the nickel plated steel. They are applied to the surface of the body with the electrolyte jelly. The electrodes are held in the position by elastic strips. They are also called as the limb electrode because they are most suitable for application on the forelimb of the body. They are reusable and last several years. These are generally preferred for use during the surgery, but they are not suitable for the long-term patient monitoring because it slips very easily. Suction cup electrode. The suction cup electrode is used to record the unipolar chest potential. The electrode is popular for its practicality because it's easily attached to the fleshy part of the body. The vacuum belt holds the electrode at its position. Adhesive tape electrode. The adhesive tape electrode reduces the movement artifact by limiting the electrode movement and reducing interface impedance. The pressure of the surface electrode against the skin may squeeze the electrode paste out. To avoid this problem, adhesive tape electrode is used, which is shown in figure. It consists of a lightweight adhesive metallic skin backed by a pad of the electrode paste. The adhesive backing holds the electrode paste in place. Floating electrode. The principle of this electrode is to practically eliminate the moment artifact by avoiding any direct contact of the metal with the skin. The floating electrode shown in figure consists of a rigid plastic cup which contain the metal electrode and hold the electrode jelly. These are generally attached to the skin by means of two-sided adhesive ring which adhere to both the plastic surface of the electrode and the skin. During the long-term monitoring or exercise testing, this electrode is an important part of the system. Disposable electrodes. Various types of the disposable electrodes have been introduced in recent years to eliminate the requirement for cleaning and caring after each use. In general, disposable electrodes are of the floating type for the simple snap connectors. Ear clip electrode. A special ear clip electrode as shown in figure was developed for the use as a reference electrode for EEG measurement. Needle electrodes. The electrode for electromyography work are usually of the needle type. The needle electrode are used in clinically electromyography, neurography, and other electrophysiological investigations of the muscle tissue underneath the skin and in the deeper tissue. The material of the needle electrode is generally stainless steel. Needle electrode are basically two types, monopolar and bipolar. Monopolar needle electrode. The monopolar needle electrode shown in figure usually consists of a Teflon coated stainless steel wire which is bare at its tip. Bipolar needle electrode. A concentric coaxial needle electrode contain both active and reference electrode within the same structure as shown in figure. It consists of a insulated wire contained within a hypodermic needle. The inner wire is exposed at the tip and it's from one of the electrode. The needle electrode look like a medicine dropper. Some electroencephalography use small subdermal needle to penetrate the scalp for EEG measurement. They are not inserted into the brain, but they merely penetrate the skin. Thank you very much.